Hey friends, it's Bill Flagg here.
And I'm Cecilia Flagg, and welcome to 43 Sunlit Drive in beautiful Watchung, New Jersey. This HUD home sits on over 1.6 acres at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac.
With 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 fireplaces, and over 3,000 square feet to make your dream home come alive. Here's what we like most. It's a fixer-upper with massive potential.
This means you get to build instant equity and design it your own way. Want to open up the floor plan?
At a level,
You can do it. And financing? Easy.
you can use an FHA 203K or a conventional renovation loan to roll upgrades right into your mortgage.
That's how smart buyers create value and move in with built-in equity.